can get a couple of videos out on this this Beetle timing belt I'm doing. Alright, so I've got my Gen 2 fuel. See if I can get you the part number. It is well used. I think that's FCIWF38G3. There you go. If you pause it there, you might be able to make it out. But that's the tool anyway. And it has got the 5 amp hour high output battery, game changer on this gun, by the way. And it is fully charged. Now I need to take that crank pulley off, right? So I know I've got a bit of an adapter because it's a 3/8 gun, and I've only got 1/2 inch multi-spline, and that's the bolt I'm taking off. So nothing's been undone. Now shall we rattle away, see what happens? Absolutely tits, isn't it? Awesome. So I'm not going to say that's going to work on every car, but it seems to work on these TSIs really well. So yeah, I'm going to keep on testing it out. Does wheel bolts all right? Does crank pulleys all right? And that's the tool again, guys. That's your part number. Make sure you've got that battery on it because they are an absolute game changer. And I'll be pulling pulleys off. See you in a bit.